Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can hide your stream preview on Discord. So for instance, you want to share your screen, but you want to hide your stream preview so that when people hover over your stream, they cannot see the preview unless they join in the call. So you're going to just select the one that you want to, for instance, share your screen. So like here, for instance, and then scroll down. It says hide stream preview. Select it, and then you're just going to go live. And yeah, that is it for this video. People won't be able to see the preview here. I guess here. So they'll have to watch it or go into the channel to actually see the preview. So that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.